resources available in the nature, like natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. So, what type of resources available for the production process? It also, so number of technical changes means what methodology suitable for an economy. So like labor, either capital. So these two techniques of production depends on the factors. Like natural, so natural like trees, rivers, sunlight, moonlight, and other resources. Human means mentally, either capital. Capital. So human resources that depends only mentally and physically. So mentally, hard worker. The physically also hard work, but that depends on only skill. So next capital that depends on only money, either wealth, either machine, either tools. The next, the quality. So what type of quality? Either natural, either human, either capital, and then efficient. So each laborer and capital have efficiency in the production activity. Definitely they produce more and more goods and services for the society. The next is the element of cost. So entrepreneur and the organizer, every second, every time, they think about only the cost of production. So what type of goods and services can be produced and what cost fixed for the particular commodity. So everything that decided by only entrepreneurs. So the goods and services can be produced in large scale industry, either medium scale industry, either cottage industry. That decided by the economy, and the difference between the atomic machine and the craft. Every methodology has advantages and disadvantages. So, which is advantages, which is disadvantages. So, advantages is the more and more goods should be produced. Disadvantages, they think about only electricity, either publicity, tax, either cost. So, the mechanism applicable for industry, either agriculture, either what type of goods and should be produced for the society. For example, we take in backward economy. So OW is the capital commodity. So OW, it can be produced more and more commodity means it can be produced only less OR. Okay, so either it can be produced more W1 level of output and R1 level of more and more output from society. So we decide which is more, which is less, and what methodology adapted for the particular goods and services. Okay, this is how to produce either manual, either technology. Okay, so next problem is for whom to produce. The goods and services, it can be produced by agriculture sector and industrial sector and service sector. So these three sectors supply, either produce goods and services for the society. In society, the rich people and poor people. So poor people cannot be purchased immediately because low level of income category. Richest people, he got good job, he can produce, means he purchase immediately because income of consumer also more and income also more. But an economy produce different types of goods and services at lesser price, like only a ration shop, either fair shop, fair price shop. So like they can produce only wheat, sugar, rice, salt, oil, kerosene, LPG. So this is called basic necessities. These product supplied to ration shop, so each consumer get different types of commodity at reasonable price. So that is called whom to produce. So whom to produce means those person's income level will be less, it can be purchased immediately. So that is advantages of public. So that is called whom to produce. Okay, so every economy, either developed economy, either backward economy, either national economy, either international economy, either capitalist, either mixed, either central bank economy. Every economy has three types of problem is called basic problems of an economy is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Okay.